Hey guys, I'm with Nick. Welcome to another vlog, I guess. We are going to pick up Matt.
Wait, which lane I gotta be in?
Left.
Yeah?
Oh, I'm sorry, not right. Going right now. There you go. We're going to pick up Matt, and then we're going to Petco. Because they gotta go pick up some stuff for the fish.
No, I don't have to pick up anything. I'm going there to look.
Oh, now I'm going there to look, okay. We'll see you guys when we pick up Matt. Alright guys, we just got at Matt's house.
I
Matt's
think it was
right
a little
there.
less than 10 minutes.
Matt, you want to say hey, what's up to the vlog? Matt.
Alright guys, I'm Nick and Teeter.
Want to say hi to the vlog?
Vlogging too.
Hey!
You know, I already told him.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we're
we
going
told
to Petco, boys. We're going to check out the fish tanks.
bad.
And it's going to be pretty cool, I guess. Yep. Maybe see some dog crap in your house. I don't know.
Alright guys, we made it to Petco. Guys, what are we looking for in Petco today?
I'm looking for a tank.
I'm not looking for a tank?
I'm not looking to purchase.
I'm looking to like steal a puppy or something.
Steal a puppy? Well, you can't do it because they don't sell them. Which is weird because that's legit what it says right there. But, alright, let's go in.
Alright, guys. You guys smell that?
Made it to Petco.
Hang on, this is 29 gallons.
We're at the...
Dude, look at this.
Dude.
Holy shit.
How much is it? Oh, it's $100.
Wait, guys, it's come on. Oh, see, these are the rocks I had in my...
You did a rocket out in the garden.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, so Nick is looking at this tank, but I don't see a price tag on
Well,
it.
dude, these are really nice. 36.
Yeah, but,
30. Wait, that's not right. Not
what does this see? This is 24 by 12 by 12. What's
Oh,
this?
that's-
24, 12 by 12.
No, this is $36.
I got the audio. Look at this.
Yeah, size 15 gallons. Yeah. Alright, so we found this one, which for $5 more it's 20 gallons. The other one's 15 for just about 5 less. And yeah, so what do you want to do?
I wanted to see what I can put on the top. I want to cover on top.
Well, I'm pretty sure if you ask them, I don't know. Are these turtles?
Oh, here's one.
Got one lonely guy.
I'll be there.
Alright guys, we'll leave Petco now. It wasn't really interesting or entertaining at all. I don't know where we're going now, so. Alright guys, we're going to the mall now. We're gonna get walk around a little bit, get some Wendy's before we get kicked out, because I don't think we're allowed to be here at a certain time.
This guy knows what's
But guess
up.
who gives a shit? Not us. So. That was really stupid. I'm not gonna put that in. We just got a food. We're about to eat. We got food from Wendy's. I got a chicken sandwich from Wendy's. I got french fries from Wendy's. I got a drink from Wendy's. They got food from Wendy's. He got chicken nuggets from Wendy's.
That's Wendy's.
That's Wendy's right there.
Wait, what's that good
from
place,
Wendy's?
The fast food with the really good...
Wendy's?
No, it's not that.
Wendy's, right?
No, it starts with a W. It's got like that. It looks just like this, the logo.
Oh. It's like Wendy, yeah, something like that.
No, it's not that.
No.
It's like the logo's red. And
Look like that. Here.
You guys look like
yeah, it
that?
looks exactly like that.
Might be Wendy's.
What's it called?
Might be Wendy's.
Yeah, I think that's right. Matt, what was
No, it's not that.
Might be Wendy's.
It's not
Yeah, I
Wendy's.
think it's Wendy's.
Guys, it's not Wendy's.
We're going in the elevator. Alright, guys. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. We are, well, today went to Wendy's, K1 Speed. What else? And we just walked around the mall, that's it.
Yeah.
Nothing special at all.
Petco.
Yeah, oh yeah, Petco. I don't know if I said that already. And yeah, so if you guys enjoy this video, give it a like. Comment random stuff, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Alright guys, so we are going to this waterfall. Me and Matt and Happy went to it. I filmed it. You guys saw pictures of it. I can't vlog much. I'm at 10% on my phone, so I'm gonna just vlog what I can get. Where's the lighting? Oh, that's not good at all. Okay, there we go. So yeah, we're gonna walk. It's sketchy. It's really what? And yeah, the car's parked over there. Over there, there's Nick. And yeah. Okay, so we're walking down the railroad. I'm not gonna lie, I'm nervous. We walked down here before with Happy. I did with Happy and Matt. We're showing Nick it. It's dark out, so. Run. We're just lucky that we make it. Guys, that's the waterfall over there. It's a little sketchy right now, but the factory's lights are on. You guys can't see anything. We're gonna go now. I got this big ass stick with me. It's sketchy. Nick, shine it over here. Alright, I'm gonna put this phone away. We're gonna dart for our lives now.